We are at b2p2 looking at some calculus problems. We're doing some differentiation, and this particular topic here is higher order derivatives. And we're under this section right here. Click that button and you should see a problem like this. Come up. It says find f double prime of 1. In other words, find the second derivative and then evaluate it when x is 1. That's what that says. We have f of x equal to x squared minus 6 quantity raised to the 5th power. So let's move over to the whiteboard and write that down. So we have f of x is equal to, and in parentheses, x squared minus 6, and it's all raised to the 5th power. And we want to find f double prime of 1. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, just making sure that's what that was. Okay, first thing we're going to do is find the first derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, so we take the 5, bring it out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtracting 1 from the exponent, and then taking the derivative of what's in parentheses and bringing it out. So derivative of x squared is 2x, and derivative of 6 is 0. Now what we'll want to do is kind of clean this up a little bit. 2 times 5 is 10. It's about to write 20. 10x. We don't want to make any mistakes at this point. Now we'll have to do the product rule. So f double prime of x is equal to, so we take the derivative of 10x, and that's just going to be 10, and then rewrite the second part, x squared minus 6 raised to the 4th, plus rewriting 10x, that first part, and then take the derivative of this second function here. So bring the 4 out front, rewrite what's in parentheses, subtract 1, and then derivative of the inside, we'll bring it out, and that's 2x. Now we don't have to simplify this down, do the factoring and stuff. As a matter of fact, I highly suggest it's waste time. So we just want to plug in, whoops, this is the second derivative. We want to plug 1 in, so let's just go ahead and do that. So we have 1 squared minus 6 plus 10 times 1 times 4, and then 1 squared minus 6 cubed, and 2 times 1. So this is going to end up being 1, see, that's 1. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. And then, so we have 10 times negative 5 to the 4th, plus 10 times, that's going to be 40. And then that's going to be negative 5 to the 3rd times 2. And we keep on going here. 5 to the 4th is 25. I don't know, it's a big number. Hold on. Alright, did a little arithmetic there, save some time. We did this, negative 5 raised to the 4th power. That's just 25 times 25, 625 times 10 is 6,250, and then 5 cubed, which is 5 times 5 is 25, and then 25 times 5 is 125. Remember, this is a negative right here. It's raised to the 3rd power, so you're going to end up with a negative. Then 80 times 125, we get 10,000, and then, anyway, you can do the arithmetic there. I think it's negative 3750. So that's going to end up being negative 3750. I hit the answer there. And so we were finding the second derivative, and then what this means is we want to plug 1 in. So f double prime of 1, and there you go, right? So remember where we're at. We got this problem from this section here. We're doing higher order derivatives, and we're at b2p2.com.